to make a woman more attracted to you without chasing her. This is Bell Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. To my returning subscribers, thank you. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts what you think about this video. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the very first person to see it. Number 1, make her curious. If your woman is curious, she will want to find more things about you. The more she wants to know more, the more she wants to find more, she would invest. A woman cannot stay in a relationship she did not invest her time, her resources, and her energy. If you're the only one always investing your resources, your energy, and your time, then that woman feels she doesn't want you. She doesn't need you. She doesn't want to commit to you. Now, most times, allow your woman, instead of always explaining yourself, always telling her things, allow her to find out those things herself. Most times, allow her ask herself questions like, oh, where did he go to? Who is he with? Sometimes, yes, you want to be accountable. You want to tell her everything. Sometimes there are some outings you need to go. It's an impromptu. Just go. So if she call you, she will be like, oh, you did not tell me. Tell her, oh, I didn't even mean to come out. It is just my friend came, so we decided to go out. Sometimes you see her say, oh, I want to make a video, take your video call. I want to know who you are with, who you are. The more she is jealous, the more curious she is to keep you, to act well, to act right. Because for her, she feels there is a competition. If she needs to compete, so she needs to win. The more she's trying to win, the more she will be putting energy and effort into you and into that relationship. Then number 2, make sure you are always neat. Make sure you take care of yourself. Focus on yourself and not her. So when you're taking care of yourself, you take care of your needs, you take care of your wants, without really expressly allowing her give you those things. When a woman notices that, this guy is so neat, he's so cute, every woman will want him, every woman will desire him, she starts feeling proud of you. She starts feeling that, oh, I made the right choice by accepting this guy and by being in his life. You see her start parading you. You see her start investing in you. You see her start making other women jealous. Each time she's with you, she's holding your hands. Each time she's with you. Now, this is where you need to always set boundaries. Here where you need to tell her, no, I don't want this. Stand with it. That woman is going to cherish you. She will be the one chasing. See, if you are a guy that takes very good care of himself, you know how to dress nice, dress neat, cut your nails, brush your teeth, have a good haircut, look very presentable. A woman, if she is very proud of you, she will invest in you. She will invest in the relationship. It is a man she doesn't want to lose. And now, if you are this kind of man, and then you know your worth, you know your value, you're not explaining it. You're making her understand that either I get what I want or you leave. With your attitude, without too much explanation, that woman knows, I go nowhere. This man is who I want. This man is who I want to invest in. And this man is the person I will give everything to. You will see her, she will do so much to keep that relationship. To even make you happy, she make the relationship easy for you. Because no woman, she doesn't want another woman to have you. Then number 3, if for some reason you are in a relationship, a woman wants you to be her safe place, her go-to comfort, a man she can really be vulnerable with, a man she can be really vulnerable to, a man she can trust with her feelings and feel protected, a man that she knows that when he says no, he stands by his no. When he says yes, he stands by his yes. If he says, I'm going to hold your hands, he's going to hold her hands, but she must be deserving of that holding before he gives it. A man she knows she cannot take advantage of, walk all over him and get away with it. So if she knows that, oh, you are that kind of a man, this guy, I want him so much, I want him badly, but then for some reason I can trust my feelings with him. She's vulnerable, she comes to you, she shares, you're not using it against her, you're always there for her, but you will be there for her because you know she deserves it. Now, why I said deserve, there are some things I'm mentioning now you feel a woman need to get it even without her deserving it. You will not be attracted to you, she will not be attracted to you. She will allow you chase her while she refuses to chase you. She will allow you do too much to keep her while she's doing nothing to keep you. So for her to chase, you must be a man that is willing to invest in her and allow her also invest in you. You must be a man that will not give her everything on a platter. Everything she's gaining, everything she will get, she must earn it. If she's not ready to earn it, you will not be willing to give. Then, the last one. If you're a man that is really confident, you're confident in yourself, you know how to carry yourself, you are a man that doesn't talk too much. Once he say this is this. If she cannot predict you, she will do everything to chase. She will do everything to want you. Because at this time, she doesn't know if she behaved badly, if you're still going to accept her. In fact, when she starts telling herself, this man, I don't think he will take nonsense from me, she will want to throw away all her bad behavior. All those red flags she's supposed to be flying here and there, she will let them go. A woman usually behaves herself when she knows that this man cannot take this behavior. This man will never tolerate this behavior. This man will never adapt to this behavior. He will never buy this behavior because he knows himself. He knows what he wants. He knows that if he wants me, I must act well. I must behave well. A woman naturally chases a man like that. A woman naturally gets attracted to a man like that. A woman naturally feels vulnerable around a man like that. Just treat her well, treat her nice, talk to her nicely, talk to her respectfully, care for her. But those care, she must get it when she knows she deserves it. That woman will never ever play with you. Watch her chase like her life so depend on it. Watch her want you like there is no other man in the whole world. Watch her invest in you even when you're not investing in her. Watch her give you everything you were supposed to beg for or you've begged for in your previous relationship. You will get them for free. She will make that relationship very, very easy. You will walk all over that relationship like it is nothing. She will make you naturally happy. And also, she will always make you come to her. She will make you too, she will give you a safe place to land each time you want to land. If you've watched this video to this extent, it shows you like it. Do well to show men what they need to do to attract women instead of chasing them. Don't chase them, attract them instead. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. And don't forget to share, like, and drop your thoughts what to think about this video. Thank you.